What made you choose the Philippines for your visit?
Because we live in Australia now and
Okay.
it's kind of close.
Okay.
And here was supposed to be the dry season, so
Okay.
that's why we came. And I don't know, we always wanted to see the Philippines, so yeah, we was
So
no.
during your flight, it's not difficult to have a long trip. Okay.
No, because since we live in Australia, it was only like 8 hours and
Okay.
a half. So yeah, it's good.
So did you sleep well in the airplane?
In the airplane?
Yes,
Because we have 3 seats for
Oh.
ourselves. The
Then
two of us,
oh,
3 seats.
how about you, Camille?
Why I came here?
Yeah. What made you
Because
choose the
the same,
Philippines?
because I live in Australia and
You live in Australia, right?
yes, and it was close, and I wanted to see the beautiful beaches and
What surprised you the most about the Filipino culture or lifestyle so far in Philippines?
um, it's not really a, on the culture, but the rain.
Yeah.
When we arrived, it rained like
Okay.
every day during
That's true.
10 days. So
And it's not the same rain that we have. It's more like movie rain, you know? Like it rains a lot. Like you
Okay.
feel like it's in a shower. And I don't know. It was yeah, like in a movie. I don't know how to say this.
So did you enjoy the rain?
no,
Um,
Because you cannot go walk around and visiting around the city or the places that you wanna go, right?
yeah,
Because of the
but
rain.
it depends because in Palawan and stuff, it was supposed to be the dry season, and we had little rain all the day. That was kind of bad.
Okay.
But in Siargao, it was the rain season,
Okay.
but it was sun all the day, and then at the end, I think like 5 p.m., a big storm, rain. Yeah, I don't know how to say this, and then it was good. Like I like that better, so didn't bother us.
So is that your first experience? What? Is that your first experience that rain in the
Uh,
Philippines?
a rain season.
Oh yeah.
I never been to a country with
Well,
rain season, so
me
yes,
neither.
but my first
So
time.
this is the first time.
Yes.
Yes.
My next question is, which place or experience in the Philippines has impressed you the most and why?
Vas-y.
It's up to you
Go
guys.
first. Tu veux que je fasse
You can
en
answer
premier?
both.
Bah, c'est juste que j'ai pas le truc là, si tu l'as.
For me, I think it was the cruise. I did a 3 days cruise from El Nido to Coron,
Okay.
and it was amazing. Like really, I loved it.
So you love it.
Yeah, I loved it. I definitely recommend it. So,
How about you, Kamel?
Me, my cruise was cancelled because of the rain, so I can I can do this.
Yeah, we didn't do it together because I was with my parents at first, and then we met. We
Okay.
joined.
You joined
Yes.
after visiting with your parents. That's
But
good.
Siargao
Yeah.
was definitely my best memory and the best place here.
Best place
Yes.
ever.
Loved it.
In the Philippines.
Maybe not ever, but in the
Yeah.
Philippines.
Okay. In Siargao, what did you try there in Siargao?
Qu'est-ce qu'on a
What
fait?
are your activities that did you enjoy the most in Siargao?
The mousse?
Yeah.
No, the mousse.
Did you
Ah.
enjoy in Siargao? What activities did you enjoy in
the
Siargao?
party.
That's good.
No, actually, there's a lot of palm tree.
Okay.
I didn't expect to see that much every time. Like the roads were so beautiful. Like we rented scooters,
Mhm.
and every time we just took the road, it was so beautiful. Every palm tree everywhere, so we loved it.
Sure.
And yeah, I don't know. The beach were really nice.
The surf,
We went surfing.
party.
Yeah, the party.
the mood, and
Yeah, the vibe was really good, and the
Okay.
people
Oh,
as
and
well.
the people also.
Yeah, love the people over there.
So the people there are very friendly also, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
really a lot. So nice.
So if you given a chance to come back here, would you come back would?
Yes.
Yes.
And my next question is, would you recommend the Philippines to your friends back home and why? Would you recommend the Philippines to your friends back home?
Yes, I would. I would recommend it, but uh, it depends because there was a typhoon, so we were not very lucky. Like some friends came to see us. We were with them in Siargao, and they were kind of disappointing because they spent a lot to came here, and there was a lot of rain, but it was still pretty. So if it's like sun and there's a lot of sun, I would definitely recommend it. Like
But
really,
it's-
How about
hundred
you, Kamel?
percent.
Yes, but it's our first trip in Asia, so
Yes.
we have
This
to
is the
try.
first, right?
Yeah, first trip in Asia, so we don't really know
Yes,
what
we have to
expect.
try.
Other countries.
Yes, to
It's
tell
better
you,
you
but
choose first the Philippines. Then
Yes,
next
yes.
time you can explore more
yes,
Asian countries also. Then that time you can compare.
Have you
Right?
been to other countries?
Yes, because of my work, I've been there also in Thailand and Vietnam also. Vietnam is nice also.
Vietnam, you liked it?
I like it, but the English,
Ah.
the language barrier also that
Ah.
they cannot speak well. But in Vietnam, if you go in the mall, they can speak English. Some of the sales
Okay.
team there.
Okay.
But some other countries like Thailand, it's very hard to speak
Okay.
English.
Okay. Yeah. You can meme.
Yeah, only just
Only
sign,
just.
sign, or you can
Yeah.
translate through the Google also.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very hard also
Okay.
to speak to them.
Because maybe we're gonna go after.
Yeah, it's a nice place also. Thailand, even anywhere in Asian countries, very nice to visit also. So, can I have one more question?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, if you rate Philippines and 10 is the highest, what would it be? 10 and why?
En gros, si tu devais le classer sur une échelle de 1 à 10, sachant que 10 c'est le meilleur,
Ah.
tu mettrais combien?
8.
Yeah, 8. Oh,
Ouais. Yes.
okay.
8 as well.
Yeah, that's good. That's
Maybe-
a good score.
Yes, 8.
Yes.
Because 8 in 1/4.
Yes, because the nature, the landscape are good, but the cities
Yeah,
little
I
bit
agree.
dirty.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And we're gonna improve that one. And
Ah.
thank you for the honest review, because all of us is dreaming also that we can improve the cleanliness in the area also, and you can notice also the roads are very small
Yes,
and crowded also.
Yes.
You cannot walk around. Yeah,
that's true.
that we need to improve. Thank you for the honest review.
Thank you.
Any message? Can I have one?
Yes,
Okay, last one.
last one.
Promise. Any message to the Filipino people while you are here in Philippines? Any message to the Filipino people or to my followers in my YouTube channel?
You should subscribe to his channel because he's really a nice guy, and we love his work.
Thank you so much, guys.
And yeah, go subscribe to his channel. He deserves it. Put a thumbs up
Thumbs
to
up.
his video because yeah, he deserves it. And bisous bisous to all the Filipino. C'est
Filipino.
comme ça,
Yes,
Filipino.
Filipinos.
Um,
Salamat.
Salamat.
Salamat. Salamat.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.